Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am opening a Christmas package from my friend Jana. I think she's going to take everything out. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is for Charlotte. That is so cute. Ah, look at how many sweet things there are in here. This is for me. Okay, I'm just going to take everything out and go through it all with you guys. I can hear some jingle bells in here. This is fun. Oh, look at those. She always sends me, seriously, the best treats. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is fun. I know who's getting these, absolutely. It is New Year's when I am opening this, and my girls are gonna get these tonight. Those are so fun. Ooh, that looks good. Trader Joe's. I absolutely love chocolate and peppermint. It's one of my favorite combinations of candies. So yay to that. Okay, let's look at all these things here. I love her embellishment boxes. Okay, look at this cute little. Aww, that's so cute. I love these little things that are in high. I have never seen styrofoam boots and snowflakes before. Like, that is so cute. And then I could hear those little jingle bells. They sounded like they were huge in the package. So I'll put all that there. Where to begin? Okay. So this is for Charlotte. Like, this is the cutest face mask ever. And then this is a little card for her. This is so cute. Okay, I don't even know where to begin. Everything is so cute. I'll open my card here off camera after and read what she sent me there. She has sent me some Christmas socks. Adorable. My girlfriends and I always send each other socks for Christmas. I'm going to reuse this. Where did I put my scissors? There. We always give each other socks for Christmas, and we didn't this year. So I'm glad to get a pair of Christmas-themed socks. They are so cute, with little reindeer dogs on them. Adorable. Cute. Okay, let's look through this here. Cheermeister. Oh wow, look at this. A little mini album. Oh, that is so cute. There's actually two there. Those are cute. Oh, this is perfect. I have Christmas Eve, we did hot chocolate bombs, and I am going to put that in my December daily. Oh wow, this is so neat. This is how it opens up like this. Love these. Definitely going to use those little cards. And then there's some fun embellishments and tickets and snowflakes. That is darling. Wow. That's so cute. Okay, let's put the things we've opened up over here. Again with these. I bet you they're marshmallow. Chocolate covered marshmallow is what I would guess those are. She always sends the most interesting candies. Okay, so let's look at these little Away in the Manger stickers. These are 3D and they're just darling. And then some fun shimmery Christmas trees. They're like foiled. Super cute. I love glassine bags so much. Let's take a peek and see what's in here. I just love the feel, the sound, the texture, everything about glassine bags. Another mini album. Look at this. Oh, she's taken a pocket page. How clever. And she's cut it into 3, and she's made one little tiny mini album. I love it with the washi tape. Oh, that is so cute. I wonder if I can put this in my December daily, like the right way it is, because it's got a hole there. I think I am going to. I've been busy printing pictures of my December daily already. I'm determined to not have it take me an entire year to get the album done. I always do it after Christmas. That's not a problem. But yeah, I'd like it to not take super long. What is in here? Let's do it this way. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, I love these glassine bags. Ooh. Thinking of you this season. It's really neat the way she's done that. That's beautiful. That's a really pretty die. I'm really enjoying these die cuts lately. And this says wonderful love, joy. Oh, that's neat. I'm really enjoying these lately. So that is like a wonderful gift. This is for Charlotte, so I won't open this one. So these are all for her. She's all decorated them all so beautifully. So thoughtful. Eek. Oh, I'm so excited. I love these embellishment boxes she sends me. I wish I could find boxes the same size because they're just perfect. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, she's got my name on there. This is beautiful. Eeks! Look inside. All this goodness. The pom-poms, the sequins. Oh, I love these gold balls. These tiny little gems. Wow. Oh, that's so fun. Oh, what is this? She's made me some of these. Wow. I am totally going to use these. That, like, right away. Wow. Those are great. Family. Oh, those are so good, Jana. What a thoughtful gift. Cute little gingerbread. This is a great little embellishment box. I'm gonna have fun. And she sent me another one. That's exciting. I won't fiddle with those. Putting it back in there. Put that there. Oh my gosh. I love this. Look at these. Okay. This is so cute. They are all individually containers, like all individually lidded containers. She's got them in here well so that they wouldn't spill for sure. She's decorated each little lid. That is so cute. Look at how cute those are. That's like some snow. Oh my god, these little gingerbread and candy canes and peppermints. Oh wow, that is so pretty. Those are beautiful mixes. Yay! And they'll be so easy to use because it's a small little container and you can just open one and dump some out. Love that. It's like Christmas all over again. I've had this parcel for a week and it has been so busy. I did not want to rush this. I wanted to be able to enjoy opening this parcel because it comes with so many wonderful, thoughtful, detailed things. Oh, look at these face masks. These are so cute. The packaging. Oh, that is so cute. That one's a foot mask. This is a cute little panda. super cute. So great. And last but not least, Twinkle, Celebrate, Made with Love. I love this. Pretty ribbon. Oh, she's glued that on there, or she's glue dotted it on there, so it would stay in place. I wonder if I can actually just open it without taking the ribbon off. Oh wow. Stickers. So there's this one. Ooh, look at those alphabet stickers from Paper Studio. These ones. It's like I have to open this side because it's taped on the end. There we go. Oh, I see. Try not to wreck the other side so I can still use it. I can still use this part. I'm going to cut that out. And I can still reuse that ribbon. Hey, Santa! Ah, they love it. I did not get a single thing from the Hey Santa line because I always create my Christmas projects after Christmas. I thought, you know what? There's no sense paying full price for everything. I'm going to go and buy it after Christmas is over because then you can often find it like at Peachy Cheap or something. I won't even be mad about having 2 sets of these if I am able to find them because I really love these kind of stickers. Like, they are so useful in putting albums together. I love actually any project. I love the texture and the shine that it brings to a project. So that's so exciting. Oh, and there's one more thing here too. Okay, let's open it from the bottom so that we can save this top. Oh, it's tea. Organic peppermint tea, my favorite. See, I can have my peppermint tea and my peppermint cookies all together. So thank you, Jana. I will give Charlotte her little gifts to open today, and she'll be excited to have some more presents. She doesn't even know this box is here because if I had told her, she would have been bothering me to open it from day one. But like I said, I did not want to rush this. I wanted to take my time and be able to enjoy it when I had a little bit of peace and calm. And this is New Year's Eve. Great way to celebrate with this fun package. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. It will be 2021 by the time I post this. So I hope that everyone has a wonderful new year and that we have lots of bright and cheerful things to look forward to in the up and coming year. Hopefully we are on our way to getting out of this pandemic and into happier times. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time.